Hey everyone, you've just saved up a significant amount of money and need to access it. You've heard great things about Ally Bank, but you're unsure about how to withdraw your funds. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing money from Ally Bank. Hook. Have you ever felt the frustration of trying to navigate a new financial platform? It's like trying to find your way through a maze without a map. But fear not, we're here to guide you through the Ally labyrinth. Body. Understanding Ally Bank. Before we dive into the withdrawal process, let's briefly discuss what Ally Bank is. It's an online bank that offers a variety of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, and CDs. One of the biggest advantages of Ally is its high interest rates compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Withdrawal methods. There are a few different ways to withdraw money from Ally. ATM. Ally has partnered with Allpoint ATMs, which allow you to withdraw cash for free. You can find Allpoint ATMs near you using the Ally ATM locator. Check. You can request a check from Ally and mail it to yourself. This is a good option if you need to cash the check at a local bank or credit union. Transfer. You can transfer funds from your Ally account to another bank account. This is a convenient option if you need to access your money quickly. ACH transfer. You can initiate an ACH transfer to another bank account. This is a slower option than a wire transfer, but it's often free. Step-by-step guide. Now let's walk through the steps of withdrawing money from Ally using the ATM method. 1. Locate an Allpoint ATM. Use the Ally ATM locator to find an ATM near you. 2. Insert your Ally debit card. Insert your card into the ATM and enter your PIN. 3. Select Withdraw Cash. Choose the Withdraw Cash option. 4. Enter the amount. Enter the amount of cash you want to withdraw. 5. Select your account. Choose the account from which you want to withdraw the money. 6. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the transaction details and confirm the withdrawal. 7. Collect your cash. The ATM will dispense your cash. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for withdrawing money from Ally. Check your balance. Before making a withdrawal, check your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. Set daily withdrawal limits. You can set daily withdrawal limits on your Ally account to help prevent unauthorized transactions. Consider fees. Some ATMs may charge fees for withdrawals. Be sure to check the ATM's terms and conditions before making a withdrawal. Conclusion. Withdrawing money from Ally is a simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily access your funds when you need them. Remember to choose the withdrawal method that best suits your needs and to always check your account balance before making a withdrawal. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally's customer service. Until next time, happy saving.